Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've sat here. I'm not doing a mukbang, but we're going to put together this is a multifunctional outdoor bird feeder kit. And it's multifunctional because if you can see, is this upside down? It's a bird feeder and a hummingbird feeder, and it has a camera on it. So I thought we would put it together and we can put it outside and install it. How's everybody doing today? I'm glad that you could join me. So I've talked about it a couple times. It's kind of like a little surprise, but my precious coworkers, excuse me, at work got this for me for my birthday because they know that I love. Here's the outdoors. Oh my goodness. It's like Legos. Okay, I have straps. Oh gosh! Hope I'm not in over my head. Okay, black stuff. Okay. Very cool. Oh my. Does it not come with instructions? Surely. That's wall mounting. I don't even see where the camera is. Okay. Now let's take this off. I don't know if it comes with a camera or not. Screws. Okay, I'm confused. That doesn't have any instructions with it. That's probably to do the mounting. Is it really? Okay. Well, I don't know if I'm supposed to look the directions up or what. I don't know what anything is. I guess I can go off of the picture. Okay, well, I don't know about this, y'all. Oh, here. This goes in here. Like that. How does that stay on there? Or does it? Oh, okay, here we go. There's that. No. Okay. I'm going off of this picture because there's no instructions. I don't know what these straps are for. I guess it's maybe you can hang it. I don't know where these go. I don't know what that would be for. Oh my gosh. It's big. Okay, I don't know how this works. I'm a little disappointed. I know that goes on this. Does it go in like that? Okay. Okay, well, I'm figuring out little by little. I guess that goes on there. Okay. So I got this so far. I have this little piece, which is kind of like a foam rubber. And I have these black pieces. I'm not sure. This looks like it would go back here. But I don't know how to, like... They gave me these tools. What are those? What are those little things? Does that go in there? Wow, okay, so they gave me these really tiny, I don't know if you can see, and the end is like a little Phillips, and there's like pointy things that goes on. I don't know if that's to like keep the scales or anything. Oh, it's so sharp. Okay. And I was assuming maybe okay, just like that, I guess. So I guess, where is it? I guess it's like that. Okay, so we have that. Let me tighten it up just a bit. And these are for the back. I don't know what these three things are. Oh, you know what? I think it could be because they're all kind of different. Like this has a little hole on there, and this is bigger, and then this is like long. So it might be the type of camera that you want, and maybe this. Yeah, because I think this goes in here like that. Maybe not. Jeez, I wish there was instructions. I'm confused about these pieces. There's 3 holes, but there's 4. There's 3 holes on that. Let me just see. Oh, I can take this out. So see, there's another one. So there's 4 different like holes. So I guess it depends on what kind of view you want. But I'm kind of confused about why this has 4 and then there's like 3 screw holes. But I'm pretty sure this does go in there like that. Maybe that's just to hold the camera in place. I'm kind of confused how this is a hummingbird feeder and bird feeder. I don't know where you would put the nectar. Okay, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause this and maybe look this up on YouTube, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So you learn a lot on the internet. So I went on Amazon, and you know, there's an option where you can scan the barcode. Well, I scanned the barcode, and this exact, model came up, and I was reading. It had great reviews, and I love it. It's like, seems like good. Wish there was instructions. It's kind of my only thing. So I was right. These are for different cameras. It gives you options. That this is like for the Ring, like a doorbell camera. The cameras are not included. This is like the Stick Up, the Wise, and Google Cam. So it just depends on what you have already. If not, you're going to have to order a camera. And the straps is an option if you don't want to, they fit around these little, the straps go through, I don't know if you can, these things. And you can strap it around the tree. And then you don't have to screw in or like it might hurt the tree, you don't have to screw it in but there's an option to screw the and onto a tree. Now these, okay, and this, so you don't, it shows hummingbirds, but this is to fill up the birdseed, the plastic part, and it falls in this little reservoir here. And this is not squirrel deterrent. It's to put like fruit, like you can put like a strawberry, I saw like a lemon and like an orange or an apple on there, and the birds will eat that too. So I'm going to order a camera because I don't have one, and then I will hang it up. So I won't hang it up today, but I will film me. And this little rubber thing, it goes on here. To maybe, I guess, protect the tree a little bit from the metal, maybe. And it is waterproof, and so I'm excited. So I'll order that today, and maybe in a week or so I'll install the camera and put it outside. I don't really have, I don't really know where I'm going to put it out there, but oh, there's a butterfly on the butterfly bush, the yellow one. All right, well, this was kind of a chaotic video, but at least we learned. I will put the link in the description on this exact bird feeder. If you want this, I think you'll really enjoy it, because what these cameras do, they're motion activated, so when a bird comes, it'll pick it up and it'll film, and so it'll be really cool footage for y'all coming up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bear with me, and just hold on tight. I'm going to put more content out there, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye y'all.